Good morning. Today is Sunday, January the 22nd, 2017, about 8:30, and it's still raining. It's rained about all night. And there was storms again during the night. I heard a lot of thunder. I got up and unplugged things. You see the water standing in the yard. But I think that all the ditching and draining they did is working, because there's not as much water out there as there normally would be with as much rain as we've had. And it's supposed to rain, I think, most of the day today. We're on our way to church and it's still raining. Here we are. Heading to church. There's a whole field of egrets over there across from the church. We're on our way back home again. Heading home. We're having frozen lasagna and a roll for lunch. And it got a little bit dark, but I wanted it done. We had a salad too, but we already ate that. It's Sunday afternoon and time for a nap.
Blue Cross Blue Shield of North Carolina.
I've been sitting here watching vlogs and just surfing the net. Oh, I went online and ordered a instruction book for my camera and a battery charger and extra batteries. It's around 3 o'clock and we've had light rain off and on today. It's 60 degrees. Air feels fresh. I didn't know it was raining when I stepped out here. The weather service is calling for severe storms between 7 and 10. We're in danger of tornadoes. I hope it all dies before it gets here. There's that possibility. But I'll say, well, it's 11 o'clock and we never got the storm. About 7 we had some lightning and thunder, but not too much, and rain. But that was about it. All the dire warnings were for nothing. Just a nice, quiet night now. Good night. God bless.